In the name of Allah, the most merciful. This is Amr Sultan, QHSC Business International Chief Executive Officer. I hope you are following your videos. Today I will be talking on chapter number 242. Before I proceed to chapter number 242, I would like all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button after doing that. Moreover, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you so much. Chapter number 242 is about SOP of purchase. Purchase is an important and imperative part of an organization because it's a part of the system which needs to be handled every day. Starting from the scope, in this we will define the boundaries for which the purchase SOP need to be structured. Then comes our purpose. In the purpose, we will define the actual essence, actual material, actual things which need to be written down and how the process of the purchase is going on for that organization specifically. Then comes definitions. In the definition sectors, we will define different words, different abbreviations, different things which are used in the purchase. For example, indent form, for example, inventory, and these sort of things which need to bin cards, which we can define in this purchase SOP. Then comes up responsibilities. Responsibilities start from the CEO, Chief Executive Officer. He is responsible to make the purchase process at line online with no issues and no purchases left over throughout the year by the end of the fiscal year. Then comes up HSC head, HSC manager, whose responsibilities are to check and verify that all implications regarding health and safety are done for the purchase when the things are received or sent and stored in the store and so on. And then other department personnel accordingly when they receive the things or they order the things for the purchase. In the process, we will define about the system of the organizations, how they are purchasing the things, which ERP they are using, which Excel they are using, which format they are using for the purchase process, and how it is done effectively throughout the year, and how it is managed successfully throughout the organization throughout the year. In this, they will define how the indent process goes off, who's the signing authority, which ERP they are using, SAP or any other customized ERP, whatever. So that need to be defined in this purchase SOP, and how the process goes on, when the approval comes up, how the purchase is done, and how it received within the organizations. What things are checked and verified when they are received, and so on. Then in the records, we will define about the forms and the check sheets we made for the purchase to make it functional appropriately. If you need more details, analysis, reports, recommendations, you can contact me anywhere in the world at +92 335 734 7400. And you can reach me on another number at +92 314 639 7990. And you can reach me on my email at amirsultanrana@yahoo.com. Thank you so much.